Hello guys, I just want to quickly go through this demo project. I know it's take a little bit longer than it should be because the task basically is very easy. It's just the CRUD and the field endpoint in the backend, and we in the front end is just a form submission, and there are a list and some actions to do. It's very easy, but I just want to make things better, so I do a lot of UI things. For example, in this front end, I use React and adding the hero page, the home page, and also the logo here and header and the footer. And also for this page is a contact page, and I use Material UI for the forms, and for the contact list, I put them in the table. This one is also the Material UI library. So I just delete this so we can. Okay, let's start with this page. I just put the company information on the left and the form on the right, and I do some validation. All is required, expect the additional information. And also I done some validation. For example, let me just delete the email here. And also I use a library to select the country code. Just something. Yeah, it will say a very basic validation for the email. And also for the phone number, if I put some string, yeah, it will show only digital number acceptable. So if everything okay, when you click submit, we can see the success dialog. And yeah, we can click OK. Now we go to the contact list page. We can see this what we added before shows here, and there is unverified. The action button, when we click, there have delete and mark as verified. And when we click this, it will turn to verified, and there will some notifications. Yeah, and when we see again, the option before is disappear. Yeah, as the requirements. And now we can delete. Yeah, that's pretty much for the required functions. Is easy, and we can click to go back. Yeah, and now I just want to talk about the code part. For the backend, I use Node.js and TypeScript. I know this is a very simple task. It only have the few CRUD API endpoint, but I just want to make things better. So I follow the module, DAO, and service and the root class structure. Yeah, so we can make our project easy to read and management. And I also add the ESLint, the latest one, the flat config ESLint and the pretty. And I also enable the automatically style formatting when we click save. Yeah. So for the front end, I just use the React with the TypeScript. I'm not use the Next.js or something like that. So you can, and I use the white. I use white to build the project, so it will more easy and faster to go. And I also, for the React, I know it's very basic to actually choose 3 pages, but I also follow the basic structure of the React, like the components and the pages and the rows and yeah, and I put all the API call here. I use this library, and I put all the the get, the add, and the update and the delete call in this one class centrally management. Yeah, and I also central manage the whole layout in this class. Yeah, and for the pages, this is the 3 pages we have, and yeah, and this one, yeah, this one is we just manage the material UI snake bar centrally. So when we call it, we can just call this very easily after we done that, like this. Yeah, like this. We can just down here and we call it here. So yeah, and yeah, this pretty much for the code part. Yeah, feel free to have a look. I already push on the GitHub and many steps, because for example I just initial the project and I push and I updated something and I push, so you guys can check the updates on the GitHub. Yeah, thank you.